Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to show you how to conduct benchmarking with Zoho Project as part of our full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and hassle-free. This step is important because having an account is the gateway to accessing the benchmarking tools. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Reports section. This is where all the magic happens. You see, reports are the backbone of benchmarking, as they provide the data you need to compare your performance against industry standards. Up next, you'll want to select benchmarking from the category list. This is where Zoho Project shines. The benchmarking tool allows you to compare your project's performance against similar projects. This helps us because it provides context for our data, enabling us to identify areas of strength and weakness. Once you're in the benchmarking section, it's time to select your project from the drop-down menu. This step ensures that you're comparing relevant data. After all, it wouldn't make sense to compare a construction project's performance with that of a software development project, right? Now let me explain why this matters. You see, benchmarking is all about comparison. It's about understanding where you stand in relation to your peers. By selecting the right project, you're ensuring that the comparison is meaningful and actionable. Once you've selected your project, click on the Generate Report button. Sit back as Zoho Project does the heavy lifting, analyzing your data and comparing it with industry benchmarks. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your performance, showing you where you excel and where you need to improve. Now that we've generated the report, it's time to interpret the results. This might seem daunting, but don't worry. Zoho Project provides easy-to-understand graphs and charts, making data interpretation a breeze. The reason we do this is to translate the raw data into actionable insights. After all, what's the point of data if you can't use it to improve? And just like that, you've conducted benchmarking with Zoho Project. But remember, benchmarking is not a one-time exercise. It's a continuous process of comparison and improvement, so keep at it. And with that, we wrap up our guide on how to conduct benchmarking with Zoho Project. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, success is not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Keep benchmarking and keep improving.